make $21 today just by grabbing $99 worth of products online at Walgreens this week for curbside pickup. You didn't even have to leave your house. You place the order online, and whenever you're in the area, you go pick up the products, and bam, you are getting so many great products and name brand that we actually use tons of P&G products. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to score in this video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Bree the Coupon Queen, and on my channel, I help you save money on all of your family essentials so you can use that money towards things that actually matter, like building your emergency fund, paying off your debt, or traveling with that money and taking that annual family vacation so you can have those core memories. So if that's something that you want to do, you should definitely click that subscribe button and stick around. Below in the description box is going to be a printable breakdown as well of the deals and how to do it, so definitely check that out. But let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing you want to do, as always, anytime you're shopping online, they even have in-store cashback as well, but for the purpose of this video, it's online. You're going to start with Rakuten. So you can go to Rakuten.com if you're on a desktop, or you can download the Rakuten app. It's completely free. And if you're new, they have a new user bonus. If you sign up with my link, which will be below in the description box, you're going to get a $50 cashback bonus when you spend your first $50 in one transaction, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So once you use the link in the description, set up an account, it's completely free. At the top, you're going to search for Walgreens. Mine is in my favorites and visited because, of course, I'm always using it there. So we're going to click on it. It's going to transfer us over to the regular Walgreens website, not the app, the website. So just let it do its thing. It'll take you over. Then you're going to sign into any Walgreens account that you have. It does not matter. It does not have to match Rakuten. Any Walgreens account. Then let me show you what to add to your cart. Now that we've signed in, these are the products that you're going to add to your cart. P&G right now is having an online booster for Walgreens. When you spend $45 on select P&G products, you're going to get $15 in Walgreens cash back. So some products that are included are Secret. Now, Secret is buy one, get one half off, plus there's a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and there's an Ibotta rebate for $4 cash back when you buy 3 of them. So what we're going to do is add any 3. It doesn't matter the scent. You could do coconut, cotton. It doesn't matter. Just grab 3 of them and add them to your cart. Now, you're also going to clip this digital booster, right, which is that spend 45, earn 15, and this digital booster for buy 4 P&G deodorant, get $4 in Walgreens cash back. So the Secret, we're only grabbing 3 though. The 5 off 3 digital coupon right here, we're going to go ahead and clip that. Next, to get that 4th one is I did Gillette. You could also do Old Spice instead. There's another cashback offer on Ibotta for Old Spice for $2 cashback on one. I grabbed the Gillette instead in this scenario. And there is a $3 off 1 digital coupon. Whichever way you want to do it, grab a 4th deodorant and clip the corresponding digital coupon. Next, we're grabbing 2 Scott products. You can either do Scott toilet paper, grab 2, or you can do Scott paper towels, grab 2. The reason you have to grab 2 of one is because the digital coupons, this one is for 2 off 2 for the toilet paper, or we have a separate 2 off 2 for the paper towels. So whichever way you want it, either grab 2 of the paper towels right here, or grab 2 of the toilet paper, clip the 2 off 2 digital coupon. Back to our cart. Next, we are going to grab L'Oreal mascara. These are also buy one, get one half off. They're $11.99. Grab whatever color, doesn't matter. This is a good mascara. I've used it a couple times. Then you're going to clip this 2 off 2. This is a Walgreens store coupon. The 7 off 2, which is a manufacturer coupon, and this $2 off 1 rebate. This is going to be $2 cash back that's going to be sent to your PayPal. The way to get this is you've got to have the email address that you just logged in on for Walgreens has to be the email address on your PayPal. If it doesn't match, no worries. On your PayPal, you can add other email addresses. So add the email address of your Walgreens account onto your PayPal. That way, once you check out, it'll send that info over, and then you'll be able to get the $2 cash back. You just have to activate this rebate, okay? So we're adding 2 of these to our cart as well. Moving forward, we are doing 2 of the Gillette Foamy. These are buy one, get one half off. clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon. We're also getting one Febreze plug-in for $5.49 with a $2 digital coupon. This does not work with the P&G rebate. Everything else does though. So like the Crest, the Herbal Essences. What you want to do is make sure the P&G products you're grabbing, that this offer shows up when you're clipping the digital coupons and adding it to your cart. So grab one of the Crest, clip the $4 coupon. You see it works with the digital booster as well, so we are good on that. Next, we are grabbing the Herbal Essences. Grab 2 of these. These are $7 each on sale, and there's a 6 off 2 digital coupon, so make sure that you clip that. And finally, we're gonna grab any 2 of the Degree deodorant. You can do men's or women's. They are $6.49 each. We have an 8 off 2 digital coupon. Next, for the promo code, you're gonna enter BTS20. That'll save you $5.99. When you're spending $50 plus on select products, you'll get the 20% off. So let's go over the final breakdown. We have $99 worth of products. This is the store coupons. We have $40 in manufacturer coupons. You'll pay $56.55 out of pocket, and that includes taxes. So remember, for the new user bonus, you have to be at $50 before taxes. So if you're doing a different scenario, you're adding different products than exactly what I showed you, you want to make sure that you subtract it. So you would do $56.55 minus $5.40 in taxes. So for this one, we would be at $51.15 before taxes. We're over 50 bucks, so we will get that $50 new user bonus from Rakuten. Also going to earn back almost $20 in Walgreens cash. We are picking up our order. We're going inside, and you want to ask for a paper receipt. So typically you go over to the photo counter, and you're going to say you have a pickup order, and you're going to ask for a paper receipt. Let them know that before they scan it. Say, hey, I have a pickup order. I'd like a paper receipt, please. 90% of Walgreens stores will do a paper receipt. There is a small 10% that does not. Just keep that in mind. When they give you the paper receipt, you're going to submit over to Ibotta for $4 cash back on 3 Secret. If you grabbed the Old Spice, you're also going to get cash back on the Old Spice as well. You'll get $2 cash back on one. That'll be $6 cash back. Plus, you're doing the $2 back on PayPal from the L'Oreal rebate. It's another $2 cash back. Rakuten, you're getting the $50 cash back bonus, plus the 2%, which is about another $1.98. So in total, everything winds up being free and almost a $21 moneymaker. Some of these deals and rebates may expire. Now, these deals are valid today. When I'm doing this video on Monday, August 10th, they do expire on Saturday, August 14th. No, 15th. August 15th is the last day that you can do these deals. Now, for the Ibotta rebates, they expire at different times. So you just want to double check and verify that it's valid before you do it. If they don't give you a paper receipt, no worries. You're only missing out on $4 cash back. Still going to wind up being about a $16 moneymaker for you. So let me know in the comments when you score so I can help cheer you on. If you have any questions, let me know as well. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.